Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick cauliflower stir fry recipe. In this recipe, I'm not using onions, so which means less cooking time. I'm not using any chili powder here. We are going to give the spiciness from the green chilies, and to add more flavor and color, I'm using capsicum here. This is the best recipe to serve along with seasoned curd rice and plain rice. I hope you love this video recipe of mine, so keep watching till the end. To begin, here I've heated a pan and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add a sprig of curry leaves, 10 cloves of garlic which I've crushed, 2 green chilies slit in between, half teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of mustard seeds. Now fry all these ingredients for 30 seconds or till you get the aroma of the cumin seeds and the garlic roasted. Now you can see the color of the garlic has changed. Time to add the cauliflower. This is medium-sized cauliflower cut into small florets. Now stir fry the florets until they reduce the size and turn a little brown in color. Here you can see the florets have reduced in size and have changed their color to brown. Let me quickly show you. This is perfect. Time to add the spices. Add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon Maggi masala magic powder. No red chili powder here, as the spiciness from the green chili is enough. Now fry till the cauliflower florets are well coated with the spices and the raw smell from the spices is reduced. Should not take more than 30 to 40 seconds. Now this is done. To cook the florets, I'm going to add a little water. So here I'm adding 2 handfuls of water. For flavor, adding finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. For more flavor and to add more color to this dish, I'm adding capsicum. This is 1 small capsicum cut into small cubes. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, our cauliflower is 98% cooked. The capsicum is still crunchy and we have enough moisture left out, which we need to dry out by stir frying on medium flame for some more time. Here you can see the moisture is almost dried out and the capsicum is completely cooked. Is very soft. The capsicum has still retained its crunchiness and this is ready. So this is my recipe of quickly making a cauliflower stir fry. Serve this with curd rice which is seasoned, and then this also goes well with plain rice. You can also toss this in leftover rice and it tastes yum. I hope you found this video very helpful. Do give this recipe a try and do not forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. Do give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. See you soon on another video. Take care.